Hey guys, this is Khadeen and welcome to Grow with Khadeen. In this video, I am going to show you 3 best e-commerce WordPress themes which are Elementor friendly. These themes are themes which I have found after hours of research and I will show you about these themes. So before I just start the video, I want to assure you that these themes are mobile friendly, Elementor friendly and SEO friendly, and one thing more, that these themes are one click install. You don't have to just create website by yourself, but you have to just click on demo and the whole website will be installed on your on your hosting, and you can create any type of website within 5 to 10 minutes using these WordPress themes. One thing more, if you want to get $300 worth tools for free, web tools which are essential for creating any type of WordPress website, e-commerce website, and which are essential e-commerce WordPress tools, and you must have to buy these tools if you are creating a WordPress website. If you want to get these all tools for free, you just have to watch this full video till the end, because I will tell you how you can get these tools for free. One thing more to mention, that if you want more videos like that, because I used to create videos regarding WordPress, YouTube SEO, online earning, online business, and all that stuff, you can just subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on bell icon. And if you see my video section, you can see here I have a lot videos regarding YouTube SEO, website SEO, and WordPress, and etc etc. And if you explore my section regarding playlists, you can see YouTube SEO, backlinks, hosting reviews, course reviews, WordPress complete tutorials, and WordPress theme reviews, and Clubhouse tutorials, etc. I have uploaded these type of content, and you can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to get updated with latest technology, online earning, and WordPress and digital marketing. So let's just get right into it. So guys, without further ado, let's just get started. So we have list of 3 WordPress themes which we will be reviewing. The first one of them is Flatsome WordPress theme. I have reviewed the Flatsome WordPress theme before also. It is not only an e-commerce WordPress theme, but it is a multi-purpose WordPress theme with which you can not only create WordPress websites, e-commerce websites, but you can also create other business websites. So if we see there, it has a lot features, top reasons. If we see their landing page, here you can see it is the best selling WooCommerce theme on themeforest.com, which is the largest marketplace on earth regarding WordPress templates and themes. And you can see it about its user experience, and it has a revolutionary drag and drop builder. You can customize everything real time with drag and drop. You don't have to add any code, and it's a one click install. Here you can see, here are the Flatsome theme demos. This is the greatest thing I like a lot about the WordPress theme, that it has not only the WooCommerce demos, e-commerce demos, but it has also a corporate, freelancer, agency, and explore demos. So if you are a freelancer or a developer who want to build websites for their clients, e-commerce websites, so this is the best e-commerce WordPress theme. And I will tell you that how you can buy this WordPress theme for lifetime, and how you can generate about $2,000 to $3,000 per month using this WordPress theme and other WordPress themes. And if we go below, you can see here is the Flatsome Studio. You can also use Flatsome Studio, and here are some of the features by Flatsome, which are important features. It has a UX builder, header designer, WooCommerce shop features, live theme, fast performance, 98% page score, and elements library. And you can see sticky sections. It has sticky sections, and it has a lot rows and columns, etc. So let's just explore its demos, how its demos look. First of all, we'll go to classic shop. So this is its classic shop, and you don't have to do anything. You will get this shop will get installed within one click only. So first of all, this is the demo, and there you can see a mega shop demo, a grid style demo, a cute shop demo, sport shop demo. If we go to mega shop, you can see here is the mega shop, and you can see there. So these were the demos. You can check it out, and let me just tell you how you can buy this WordPress theme. You can just go to webifiedhub.com/flatsome. I have also given the link to that theme in description. You can just go to webifiedhub.com/flatsome, and you will be redirected to the Flatsome buying page. Here you can buy the WordPress theme. Now let me just tell you that how you can earn about $1,000 to $2,000 per month using this WordPress theme, and you can apply the same on other two WordPress themes, but this is the best thing. So if we see here, first of all, let me just talk about this theme, and at the end I'll talk about how you can earn that amount of money per month. So if we talk about its rating based on 6500 ratings, it is about 4.8 stars, and it has about 25,000 comments, and recently updated. It has about, I can't believe it. You like, it has about $100,000 plus sales. This is an immense amount of sales. So if we go below, it is only about $59, and it has, you can see it has the features we read below before and everything. So let me just tell you that how you can buy this theme. So to buy this WordPress theme, you can select that extend support to 12 months, because you have to select it if you want to get support from the team. You must select it. So it's about $76, $76.63, but you have a discount because you got went from my link, so you have a discount and you are getting it at about $17.63 extended support, and calculating all the discount, adding all the discounts and etc etc, additionally it is about $76. So after that, what you have to do is you just have to click on buy now, and you can buy this. But with this regular, it has two licenses. First one is regular and second one is extended license. So with the regular license, you can only create one website with $76 license. But if you buy extended license, you can create unlimited website, you can resell that WordPress theme to anyone, and you can do anything with this WordPress theme. So that's the beauty, and that's how you can earn about $1,000 to $2,000 per month. How? Let me just tell you that what I used to do is, you can disable that extended support right now, or if you want, you can enable it. So I bought one time that WordPress theme using extended license. Then I created a gig on Fiverr that I will create a e-commerce website or WordPress WooCommerce website for $100. This is the minimum here in Asia, but if you are in Europe, US, UK, you can create gigs on websites like Upwork, Toptal, and you might have other clients from Facebook, from Indeed, and etc sites, and you can the problem is getting clients, and you can get clients easily. If you get client, you charge a minimum of about $1,000 per website. Now you charge about $1,000 per website, and you can create the simple website within about an hour or 2 hours or 3 hours, all the setup. So you can create the whole website in about 2 to 3 hours, and you can charge about $1,000 because it is one click website import. If you create the website without that theme, it might take about 1 week, 2 week, 3 weeks, but you can create the similar website within 1 to 2 hours. So you can charge about $1,000, and if you create 4 websites per month, you can that generate that amount of money within 1 month. So that's not a huge amount. If you charge $500, you can generate that amount of money in 2 months, and then you are free to use that theme. So I would recommend you, if you are a freelancer or developer, buy this extended license, or if you want to create a website for yourself, then you can use that one. Because if you are also not a WordPress developer and you want to create a website, you can create a website using tutorials, and once you have learned that WordPress theme, you can create any type of website using that WordPress theme. So that was the first WordPress theme, and good luck for that. So the second one is Porto. The Porto is one of the best seller WordPress themes on ThemeForest also, because I have selected best seller, best rated, and best commented, and I have done a lot research on these WordPress themes, and after that research I have found these WordPress themes. So if we see about Porto, Porto is best WooCommerce WordPress theme, and it's best rated WordPress theme. The Flatsum was bestseller. It is best rated WordPress theme, and if we go below about its stats, it has 120 plus demos and 50 50,000 websites, 50,000 plus websites are using Porto WordPress theme right now. So that's immense amount of e-commerce stores, and it has a high a large community. And if we talk about its features, it has super high performance, multi-purpose plus WooCommerce, and powerful theme options. And if we go below, it has four options for page builders. And this is the thing, if you don't know how to use, if you don't want to learn this thing, you can just use Porto, because it is Elementor supported, and you can create any type of website using Elementor. One thing is one click demo import, but Elementor is something like photo editor, because you can create anything you imagine using Elementor. It is a lot easy, and if you search on YouTube, you can master Elementor within about 20 minutes or 1 hour. So that's the beauty of Elementor, and you can create any type of website using Elementor, and you can make any edits. It has also full support for WP Bakery. And if we see 6 reasons you should buy Porto, it is optimized speed performance, for speed performance, ultimate WooCommerce options, powerful theme options. When Elementor is with us, we don't have to worry about theme options. The best customer experience, and works fine on low local level servers also. If you have a low level server, you have bought a low level cheap server, you can do the thing with that. Always keep theme updates, it's get updated time by time. So if we go below, it has the Porto Studio usage examples, and also a section of Porto Studio, which is a library. And we can see here is a library of demos, and how website looks. But we'll go to demos, and we'll explore the demos by Porto, because demos are something that are important thing of the website. So we'll go below, and here you can see here are a lot demos. Here are about 80 multi-purpose demos here, and 42 shop demos here. So if we go below, here you can see we will select Elementor, because I would 100% recommend you to use Elementor to create any type of website using Porto, if you buy Porto WordPress theme, because you can just do anything with your website. So here you can see here are demos. It is the main business demo. If you are a freelancer, if you are a developer, you want to create a website for yourself, the website is always already built by Porto. If you want to create a portfolio website, here is the shop demo 1, shop demo 2, shop demo 3, and a lot shop demos. Here's a business consulting, cleaning services, architecture, law firm, startup agency, construction, auto services, industry, medical, shop demos, and there are a lot demos here. You can create other type of websites also, but our main purpose is e-commerce, so we'll go with e-commerce. So here we'll click on shop demos. So it is the Porto shop demo 1. You can see here, it is the shop demo 1. You can see a beautiful e-commerce website, and this website don't require about months to get created. It is created in about 5 to 10 minutes, because it is also one click demo import. And you can also create the similar website within one click. So this is the first website. And if we go to the second demo, here you can see here are a lot demos, but I am using only some important demos. If we go to shop demo 4, and you can see here in shop demo 4 you have beautiful extra beautiful summer sale, and a beautiful website. So this is the second WordPress theme, and you can explore demos by yourself if you want to see the features of that. And these were the both two websites. And how to buy the Porto WordPress theme, you just have to go to webifydhub.com/Porto, and you can buy that Porto WordPress theme from there with the same tutorial. I told you how to buy, but I don't told you how to buy that WordPress theme. So let me just tell you how you can buy that WordPress theme. So first of all, what you just have to do is you just have to select the license. I would prefer that extended license if you have any investment, if you want to start an agency, or if you want to make a business as a student or as a professional. And I'll click on buy now, and after clicking on buy now, after that they requires information, because I have already created an account. You just have to enter your information, and after entering information, now it's only total of $1,900, sorry, $2,000, and we just have to select a payment method. And after selecting the payment method, you just have to enter your PayPal or any other payment method, and you will buy it. And then what you just have to do is you just have to go to downloads, and you can download that WordPress theme from here, and then you can upload it using the tutorials the theme has given, because they have a full documentation also. So here you can see, if we select it, it was, in that case, it was about $59. Okay, so that was the second WordPress theme, and now it is the Woodmart, the third WordPress theme, WooCommerce WordPress theme, best e-commerce WordPress theme. So this is the third e-commerce WordPress theme. You can see here, it has not a it don't have a landing page, but you can see it's a beautiful page for beautiful WordPress theme, and I prefer it for, like, if you have a retail shop or that type of shop, this WordPress theme is best, and it has 72 demos. If we go to Woodmart demos, I just clicked on demos, and here you can see you can not only create WooCommerce websites, but you can also create a real estate website, consulting websites, and other types of website with that also. And regarding buying and everything, the same is the case with Woodmart also. So here you can see its demos there. It has a demo fashion, demo tools. If you want to sell tools, if you have a retail shop, if you want to sell handmade products, for everyone who want to create a website, e-commerce website regarding electronics, drinks, corporate or lawyer, or any type of, if you have any type of WooCommerce store, you can just buy this WordPress theme, and you can create any type of WordPress store using that. And if you want to buy that WordPress theme, what you have to do is you just have to go to same case webifydhub.com/Woodmart, and link is also given in description. You can also buy from that. So here is the landing page of that WordPress theme, and you can see it has 5.0, that's immense, 4.95 star rating and 32,000 sales, and it's recently updated, and it has also a title of well documented. It's documented well also, and it's also $59, and with extended license it is a bit expensive, because you can create any type of website with that. And if we go below, and below, and you can see here is its landing page, and it has new demo versions, and it is optimized with JS and CSS, so you don't have to worry about its speed and performance. And it is integrated, it is not integrated with Elementor, unfortunately. So if you want Elementor, this is not the best for you, but it is best for like WP Bakery users and Revolution Slider users. And but it has a lot demos. It has a great library, unlimited headers, and unlimited, like, full Ajax options. You don't have to worry about Ajax also. And it has also something called off canvas. You can create off canvas websites. And if we read there, they have responsive web designs, retina ready display, and also SEO optimized with over 70 demos, advanced variable products, drag and drop builder. If you don't have Elementor, they have their own drag and drop builder you can use, or you can use WP Bakery, and you can buy with the similar process. And this is all about the WordPress themes. If you want web development and digital marketing services, you want to create a WooCommerce website, and you couldn't create a website, or you have any problem regarding that, you can just hire us. If you have an e-commerce store and you want to market your product, you can hire us. Or like, we are providing my agency is providing digital marketing services as well as web design services. And if you want to grow on YouTube, you want SEO services, you want YouTube SEO services, website SEO services, or any services regarding digital marketing and web design, you can just connect with me. And if you have any problem regarding web design and digital marketing, you can also connect with me. Thank you so much. That was all about video. Just subscribe my YouTube channel to get updated. Thank you so much.